Chaffle Burger. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell and never miss a video. We start off with 2 eggs mixed up with 1/3 cup of cheddar cheese, followed by 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk and a tablespoon of coconut flour. Then we're going to blend it up, followed by 1 heaping tablespoon of flaxseed, now we have a trusty Dash mini waffle maker. We're going to give it a little bit of a spray with some organic olive oil, and we're going to add some of the mixture into the waffle maker. 6 minutes later, and it's done. A nice crispy texture on both sides. And for the second chaffle, we're going to use the remainder of the mixture. Just even it out and put it down for another 6 minutes. There you go. The other side of the bun is ready. Absolutely delicious. Now we just build the burger and voila, ready to take a taste test. What a burger, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be safe and be well. Matt Troy signing out.